These AI dev agents promise to complete entire coding tasks autonomously. I gave each one 5 real tasks, ranging from bug fixes to new feature development. Here's who delivered. Devin works independently. It plans, codes, tests, and deploys. It completed 3 out of 5 tasks correctly, but took the longest. Best for well-defined tasks where you don't need to iterate. Copilot Workspace shows its plan before coding and lets you guide the process. It completed 4/5 tasks with the most human-readable code. Best for teams who want visibility. Claude Code completed 5 out of 5 tasks with the best code quality. Its ability to understand existing code bases and make surgical changes across files is unmatched. Best for experienced developers. Devin for delegating complete tasks. Copilot Workspace for collaborative development. Claude Code for complex refactors and when you need the highest quality output. Which AI dev agent do you use? Share your experience in the comments. Subscribe for the monthly AI Developer Tools update.